understanding is that a man was arrested, but not necessarily for stealing Hank's guitars. His name is Martinez, and I don't know his first name. I might have it written down here somewhere. I will look for it. I do know that much, that a man named Martinez was arrested, and I know that he is the primary suspect, or one of the primary suspects in the case. Let me just put it this way. People know who killed Hank, but these people are connected to the DA. And that's your basic problem. When the DA's office essentially yanked this case away from the Hunt Police Department, they were protecting people. And I know Martinez was one of those people that they were protecting. So you could, now, the district clerk is not going to make it easy for you to find any information about this guy. What you have to do is actually go sit in the district clerk's office, and you have to go through all the indictments for the month of December, if indeed he was arrested in December. I don't know if he was arrested in November or December. They won't look it up for you. They won't do anything for you. But they will let you look at their computer records, and you can get the information. But that's all the information I have. But his last name is Martinez. If I find out anything else, I'll let you know.